Welcome in SST class of 6th standard. Yesterday I discussed about plantation crops and different cropping seasons. I hope you have revised it. Let me take feedback through cross question before we proceed. What is plantation farming? Second, what type of crops do plantation farming provide? Name the parts where plantation farming is practiced in the world. Where is plantation farming done in India? 5. Give some characteristics of plantation farming. Number 6. Define Rabi crops. Name some Rabi crops. Number 7. When do farmers grow and harvest Rabi crops? Number 8. Define Kharif crops. Name some Kharif crops. Number 9. When do farmers sow and harvest Kharif crops? Number 10. Name some Zaid crops. Number 11. What is viticulture? Number 12. What is horticulture? Let us see today's objectives. Major crops, food crops, that is wheat, rice and sugarcane. Students, already we have discussed about the plantation crops and different cropping seasons. Let us read about the major crops. Different varieties of food and cash crops are grown all over the world depending upon different farming practices, climate, soil, etc. Some of the food and cash crops of the world are discussed below. The variety of food and cash crops are grown all over the world, and farming depends upon the climate, soil and various techniques used by farmers to grow crops. Now students, in today's class I am going to discuss food crops. Let us see through pictures. These are the pictures of food crops. This is cotton and this is a cash crop. Food crops are those crops that are produced for use as food, either for sale at commercial level or for use by the grower. Term food crop means major food product derived from plants either for sale or for use. Food crops consist of grains, seeds, vegetables, fruits, etc., which are grown for sale or for use by a farmer. Let us study about first food crop, that is wheat. Wheat is probably originated in Asia and the Middle East countries. Let us see through map. This is a map of Asia and this is a map of Middle East. Wheat is one of the most important crops to humankind as it is a staple food. Let us read about the areas of wheat cultivation. Wheat is cultivated in prairies of North America, pampas of Argentina, velds of South Africa, downs of Australia, steppes of Europe. Let us see the grasslands where wheat is grown. These are the prairies, grassland in North America. This is pampas, veld, downs and steppes. All the grasslands of the world are good for wheat production. China is the largest wheat producing country in the world. Beside this, Russia, USA. The best temperature for the growth of the wheat is 21 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Number 2, warm, sunny day. Number 3, moderate rainfall of 30 centimeter to 100 centimeter. Number 4. Plain leveled land surface. A frost-free period of about 100 days is required for good ripening of wheat. Number 6. Well-drained loamy soil. And number 7. Low humidity. So children, the temperature required for wheat during growing season, it should be around 21 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. The weather should be warm and moist during the early stage of growth, sunny and dry in the later stage. Plain land and loamy soil are required for the growth of the wheat. Let us read about rice. It is also called paddy. It is the staple food of more than half of the world's population. Rice is the seed of the grass. It is the most widely consumed staple food for a large part of the world, and it is also known as paddy. Let us read areas of rice cultivation. Rice is grown in highly populated areas of China, Japan, Southeast Asia, India, and Bangladesh. Let us see through map. It's China, Japan, Southeast Asia, India, and Bangladesh. China is the largest rice producing country in the world. India is the second largest rice producing country in the world. Let us read the climatic conditions required for rice cultivation. Number 1. Moderate temperature of 20 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Second, annual rainfall of 175 to 300 centimeters is suitable. Number 3. Rich alluvial soil is required. Number 4. It is a labor-intensive crop. A large labor force is required to raise and harvest the crop. Rice is a tropical crop and grown where the average temperature should be 20 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. It needs hot and humid climate. Rainfall should be more than 170 centimeter to 300 centimeters. Alluvial soil is the best for rice, and large labor is also required. Let's read the areas of sugarcane cultivation. Brazil, Cuba, also known as a sugar bowl of the world. India, Pakistan, Indonesia, Thailand, China, etc. are the important areas of sugarcane cultivation. See through map. Brazil, Cuba, it's known as sugar bowl of the world. India, Pakistan, Indonesia, Thailand, China are the important areas of sugar cultivation. Most of the world's sugarcane is grown in subtropical and tropical areas, which are India, Pakistan, Brazil, etc. Let us read about the climatic condition required for the sugarcane cultivation. Number 1. Temperature should be 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Number 2. Annual rainfall must be more than 150 centimeter. Number 3. Well-drained, fertile soil. Number 4. Huge labor force is required. Students, sugarcane is a tropical plant, therefore it requires a warm weather. Temperature of those areas should be 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, and average rainfall must be more than 150 centimeters. It needs fertile soil and labor. Students, today I discussed major crops of food crops, that is wheat, rice and sugarcane. So I hope today's topic is clear to all. Your homework to read the topic and do the questions on copy and learn terms. Thank you and have a nice day.